Hello everyone, my name is Vishal and today I gonna show you how the to-do list works in our NoteNest project which I listed for a sale. So this is our to-do list. Let me show how it works and it is totally responsive. You can see here. Let's add on tasks. Uh, Test 3 and put a date like it is on 18th and personal study and work add category. When you add it, it is added and it is totally updated in our backend also. So in upcoming you can see the upcoming tasks and in completed you can see the completed. If I mark this complete, so it is add here. This is totally responsive and totally attached with backend code, and I show you how this code is work in this. And if you want to buy this code, you can easily buy from our NoteNest project. Like, see all, select the project which you want, like a to-do list, fill this form, select a delivery date like 23. If you want some additional requirements, like we want pink color, so it is fulfilled. When you pay, the booking is created, and on your date you will get your code in your app and it will notify you. And if you want to give me some suggestion, you can easily contact me on my LinkedIn page. This is my LinkedIn ID. You can easily message me on here. So that is for today. Thank you.